dare I say, that might be the rarest three-wheeler I've ever owned. One of them, at least. They made 1,600 of them. You know, they made probably 20,000, 30,000 big reds. I don't know. I've never seen another one like this in person. I've never seen another one in this good of shape. Hell, dude, I've never even seen a Polaris four-wheeler in this good of shape, I don't think. So, 1985 Polaris Scrambler 250. You got that right. 250 cc's, but hold on now. She two-stroke, baby. She two-stroke, and I gotta tell you something. It hauls ass, man. It really does haul ass. I'm gonna show you here in a second. I'm surprised how much ass it hauls. It hauls all of my ass, but it also hauls it very fast. CVT with forward and reverse, electric and pull start. We're gonna get a top speed run on her, pop some wheelies, do some donuts, some hole shots. David's gonna ride it, Parker's gonna ride it. We're gonna see what everybody thinks. Check this, dudes. This is all Yamaha right here. Now I understand that if you're Polaris back in the 80s and you wanted, you know, and you're a Polaris salesman, you wanted the guy you sold the three-wheeler to actually get him some, you're gonna put some Yamaha accessories on here. You got your Yamaha start switch, key switch pretty much, the old Blaster Badger style headlight. Whew, they must have been buying all that third party. Them front forks are off Yamaha, I'm pretty damn sure, in the rack. But Polaris outsourced it and bought it, I suppose, so there you go. Guys, whew, this one's going up for sale on Time Machine ATV's Instagram today. And hey, it's for sale, not on sale. I don't mind keeping it. I don't have one of these. You know, I've got plenty of big reds. I got plenty of 2RXs, other stuff like that I am keeping. If somebody doesn't make the right offer on this, I'll just keep it.
RES? Boys don't know what the hell is going on. Oh, shit. Hey, boys. Oh, handbrake. It's a pretty good handbrake. You know, I don't like Polaris so much, but man, something about this three-wheeler I kind of like.
It does.
Holy crap. That's pretty badass, guys. I can't believe that that old Polaris, man, holy crap, that's pretty awesome. So get up on Time Machine ATV's Instagram. I'm gonna put her up for sale. One of y'all could own it if you got the plums.
Is it a Polaris four-wheeler or a three-wheeler? It's like a three-wheeler. No, man, that thing's from when me and Jared were kids. Look at, dude, blaster headlight. Blaster headlight cage, Yamaha like Tri-Moto 225 switches. Even the ignition, all that's pretty much the same. The front forks are off of a Yamaha pretty much. Front rack, all that.
That's how it came, huh?
Yes, dude, you're gonna shit when you ride it, David. Like it isn't manageable. Like you can't go. You could pop wheelies on it. Here's another thing.
It fucking has reverse.
That's reverse. I know, dude. Once you ride it though, you'll know why I don't even think it's worth putting a 400 in, because it's already ripping, dude. Also though,
No foot brake, right?
Yeah.
These are cable brakes. I thought they were gonna be shit. Boy, the most gnarly. Seriously, you could slide it doing 30 miles an hour. You could bring it to a slide just by barely touching this brake, bro. Yes, you're bringing it back down. Slam. I think it might have had like maybe some sort of fender that might have.
That's where the Polaris symbol is.
Oh, it had a Polaris emblem on there? I might be able to find that on eBay. I ain't even cleaned this, bro. Washed it, SC1'd it, nothing. Look, it's still got the dirt. I figured I was gonna ride it a couple more days for it.
What do you figure it's worth?
I don't know, man. It's worth keeping to me if I can't get, 4,000 out of it. I mean, I'll just fucking keep it. Especially, watch, when you ride it, you're gonna be like, what the hell? It's so stupid, dude. I don't know. I don't even know how to explain it. It's got electric start, but it needs a solenoid. We jumped it, but it may be the switch or the solenoid.
Badass, the electric start.
Oh, I know. It's like a big old snowmobile, dude. Like it's jet ski. So David just had to ride it. He wants to get this. See what happens. Who knows? See if he can handle it, guys. You think he can? At least this one's automatic. You can probably drive a little better. Dude, don't grab that front brake unless you want to bite the handlebars. Yeah. Dude, there she is.
Yeah.
Doesn't even crunch. It's already broke in. Here he comes. I'm not a big Polaris fan, but that thing right there is a lot of fun.
I like it. When it came up, my dumbass grabbed the front brake.
Dude, it rips, doesn't it? That's pretty fast, man.
I don't know how I've ridden a Scrambler 400 in a long time, but it feels a lot.
I know. Yeah, this may feel faster. Well, 400 will break the tires free a lot more. That's crazy, dude. That's a pretty nasty hole shot, dudes. For an old clunker three-wheeler.
Just because it's an auto.
I know, dude, it just blares through it too, don't it?
I feel like you're doing something wrong.
Pretty sure I did not top it out. With it being automatic, it's hard to tell. That's right. That's right. Fully automatic 250. Type of shit make Honda a little jealous. And I don't know. The last video I saw, tried to look before while I was waiting on this to get here. I looked for videos and all kind of stuff, and man, there ain't a whole lot about them. All right, dudes. Let's talk some features here. You get a backup pull start. You've got electric start, headlight and tail light. She's fully automatic, dudes. I think back then they called it the PVT system, the Polaris variable transmission. Also probably very similar to what now is known as a CVT. This is back in the 80s, man. This is back, I think they introduced the first automatic four-wheeler, and this is not the first automatic three-wheeler, because they've got a bunch of them that aren't variable like this, like the Tri-Zingers and there's other ones I can't think of right now that are probably automatic, But a Zinger was automatic, and they were making these long before this. Ooh, let's see what's in the trunk. It's got a big trunk. Got a toolkit in there. You can put probably some beers in there. It's two-stroke. Auto injection, you just put your oil in here, your gas in here, and mixes them for you. Maybe something seems a little sketchy to a few people, it does to me. No foot brake. You've got a rear hand brake over here, and a cable, they're both cable brakes. Also, chain and sprockets. You know, Polaris, they stuck with the chain and sprockets for a long time. Guys, get up in that Time Machine ATV's Instagram page, take you a look. If you're interested, let me know. It's a hell of a machine. It's fast, it's fun, and it's rare, guys. And I know a lot of people might not like the price tag. You could just step on over and buy the next Polaris Scrambler you see. I'm sure it'll be a better deal, and you can get a better look at it than the one I just gave you. So this sucker's ready to ride, I'm telling you, and it's a lot of fun. That's the craziest part about how fun. I'm not a big Polaris fan. When I got this, I said, you know what? In my head, I told myself, it's gonna be a turd. It's gonna be a turd. And we're gonna have to Polaris 400 Scrambler swap it. No, plenty fast with that 250, guys. Plenty fast with that air-cooled 250. Get up in there, boys, lots more to come. 250R video posted on the channel yesterday. We're watching the Polaris Scrambler video. Get up in there, this 350X build. Shoo! It's going on the channel very soon. Starting to get her all put together, dudes. So get up in there. Part 2's coming very soon. Motors rebuilt. Reassembling now. Guys, be sure and get up in there. Be sure and like and subscribe. Lots more to come. Lots more on the channel. So check out some of the videos. Go jump over to Time Machine ATV's Instagram. Be sure and give us a follow, because something's gonna come through you guys are gonna wanna buy. And people always ask me when it's too late. People always wanna buy it once it's gone. So you don't wanna be that guy. You wanna be there first. Appreciate you, dudes. Putting a couple other videos on the channel soon. Check out this little Frankenstein Z50. A lot of people have been asking me for videos of it. So here's your little glimpse. I didn't build it, but I'll give you more details, you know, in the video. It'll come this week for sure. So appreciate you guys. Get up in there. Whew. It's Monday. I want you guys to work hard. Make sure you work hard all week. You know what I mean? They'll go by like that. Don't worry about it. Also, somebody worked hard on that, believe it or not. So stay busy, guys.